actually come all the way up to the rocks. Airstream's right there. We're on a peninsula and it'll actually surround us. This is the last high water mark down here. You can tell from all the seaweed and everything. We're gonna go try to check out the tide coming in now.
We were told the tide here comes in about an inch a minute. Our neighbors right here in this Class A invited us to go fishing on his boat. We're pretty interested in doing that, so we'll see if we make that part.
Last day of fishing, success. We're allowed 30 flounder for the boat because there's 3 of us, 10 per person. Ursula probably caught about 25. I got one really great keeper. Good day.
Good day.
Anyway, there's mine. Slide yours over some so we can make room for Ursula's in the middle, okay?
Clam digging is the best. So you basically walk out when it's low tide and you find little holes, something like that. You need to take a shovel, scoop it out, got your clam.
No clue where we're at right now, but they're like, oh man, check out the Red Rock Beach. Sure enough, there's red rocks and black rocks. Kind of cool. Lobsters.
9.5 pounds of lobster in that bag. Really cool place, family-owned business. One lobster they had in there, we want to see the biggest lobster, so she pulled one out. It only had 1 claw, but the claw was like the size of Tim's arm right here, literally.
Huge.
And that was a 9-pound lobster, huh?
That was 10 pounds.
10 pounds?
With only 1 claw.
Yeah.
Look, all this stuff is going to get covered. We don't wear clothes that we plan on keeping. This will probably end up getting red dirt stain. Are you recording? Sure.
What's going on here? Is it recording? Oh, 12 minutes? Going on a tidal bore.
16 people, 2 hours, 2 boats, 25 foot. Expected swell, big waves. Let's go. This is absolutely the one thing that I really wanted to do. One of the only places in the world that you can do this. The water is about 10 degrees Celsius, so that's about 52 degrees Fahrenheit. We're in a heavy winter-ish jacket that has a built-in light vest and just like fisherman pants, and I'm just wearing shorts and heavy socks below. But feeling really warm right now. We're supposed to stay dry on our way out and then get really wet coming back in. I'm like a little kid on Christmas right now.
Yeah.
I'm about to open my present. We're heading towards the waves. Bald eagles flying everywhere. Sandbar. We're waiting for the tide to come in. You can actually see it on the other side. It's like little ripple waves coming in. Start the boat!
Everyone is freaking out!
Everyone's going to the boat! It's coming!
That was awesome! Absolutely loved it. Thumbs up. Well done.
Amazing.
I would do that again, especially if it was about 70 degrees outside.
Water was like 50 degrees and the air temp is probably the same. At least it didn't pour rain.
Very happy that we were able to get in today when it was semi-nice outside too. It was overcast, but now it's raining.
It didn't start raining until after we were done, which worked out nice.
The loaner shoes, the rain gear that they give you, the hot shower at the end, the hot chocolate around the fireplace, those are all just like added things that you can take advantage of. Even though you're exposed with 6 people or 8 people on the boat, it was a really like tight-knit team that you end up building. Everyone's looking after each other. Everyone's rubbing up against each other.
Your legs look like pretzels.
Just trying to stay in the boat. That was a cool experience. I'm glad that we were able to do it with a fun group too. And
Thank you, Amber.
thank you, Amber.
You're the best.
Thanks for saving our life, Amber.
One month in Nova Scotia. 2 weeks turned into 1 month.
People were incredibly welcoming. Instantly being welcomed into the community was awesome.
It's been our favorite journey. I mean, we've had a lot of great journeys, but just the people here were just so nice and felt like family.
And I think that's ultimately what got us to stay a little bit longer too. All in all, Nova Scotia, thumbs up on my list. Thumbs up. Now we're heading towards the border, continue our journey into the northeast. Yeah.
That's it. We're coming home. We're coming home. Psych. We went to the wrong border crossing because that border crossing is very narrow and squiggly.
No RV crossing here either, but she's kind enough to let us flip around.
Yeah.
So she has our passports in exchange for a quick flip.
This is tight. This wouldn't work at all unless we wanted to get scraped up and lose an AC. I'll actually do you here. So you
Oh,
don't
cool.
have to-
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Now that we're back in the US, I don't feel as relaxed. Right after we got our passports back, first car just honked at us. Gave us the bird. Gave Tim the bird.
Told me to learn how to drive.
Yeah.
Get the flag. Get the flag. Get the flag. Get the flag. No, it's still there. Look, it's still there. Get it. Get it. Get it. You got it. Yeah. Yeah, she got it.